Today we're going to look at this Olympus DM-450 digital voice recorder. So let's have a look. Oh, we've got two batteries. Oh, wait a minute. Let's see if you see what I see with these batteries. Right, come on, focus. Do you see that? Look at that. That battery looks as if it's been chewed. Make it clearer. Look at that. What has happened there? That is weird. Let's get that out of there. That's easier this way. Can you see that? That's incredible. What's going on there? Right. I suspect they're not going to work. Got voltage, DC. Yeah, flat. And yeah, nothing. 1.5 and 1.5. Perfect. So get these in. And power. Nothing. Okay, so doesn't appear to be working. This is a USB port on this as well. Let's get a power bank, and there's one, and let me get a cable. Here's one. So let's, I'm not sure if it can actually be powered by USB, but we'll give it a go. Let's see. Oh, interesting. So it's doing something. What's that say? Please wait remote. How long do you want me to wait? Let's see if there's an SD card in here. No, it's empty. I wonder if this is not for powering it, but maybe for connecting it to a computer. Right, okay, let's get into it and see what we have. Now, this is going to be interesting because of its size. Off it comes. Oh my word. So that looks like a speaker. Let's see if we can zoom in a bit more. So what do we have? I wonder if this is... So if the power is coming in via USB, I wonder if there's a connection issue between here and something on here. That's the speakers. Can we take that off and take the speaker out, I wonder? So there's two cables. I wonder if they go to the battery terminal. Let's have a look. Put it onto there. What is keeping that board in? Maybe that. So that should now come out, should it? This bit comes off here, if the camera would stop. Right. Okay. And that bit, I'll put that back in there and zoom out a bit so it stops refocusing all the time. Feels like it's breaking, but it's not. Display bit there, so this bit should come off from here. It should come off. I think actually if we get this off, we should be able to see, I can see the red and black wires there for the batteries. So that's really what I want to get access to. So okay. That's quite convoluted, isn't it? Let's take this screw out. What does that do? Somewhere in there will be a cable. There's the and the cable goes in there. There we are. It looks like here, this is where the battery terminals come from. So I guess we could do a test, a continuity test. Now, I'm going to have to zoom out a bit so you can see. So many pieces. So let's go from here to here. I'm not getting anything. I think we'll refresh the solder on there, but I wonder if there's something else. Where do those cables go? It's underneath here. They come down and into here. Okay, so it's supposed to come up here. As you can see there, it says VSS-VDD. So if there's no connection to there, this probably works because it goes straight onto the board. So that cable's not making a good connection. Is that it? Okay. Let's do another test then. No. Ah, right. So the cables go onto here. So there to there, there. Well, it's not brilliant, is it? So let's just reflow these just to help a bit. There we go. Okay. Wait a minute, that's it. Look. It's working on the batteries.
Music folder.
Wow. It's just a simple bad solder joint again. Oh wow, I can't believe it. Okay, let's power it off. Just to hold. Ah yes, that's the right power. Okay, so we need to put it back together again, and that's going to be the fun part. So let's see if we can do this. I think this has to go in properly. And let's take the batteries out first, I think, before we blow something up. There we are. Nice click. Okay, there we go. So let's put the batteries in the correct way. Put the back on. And let's try it out. There we go.
Battery level high. Please set the time and date.
Okay, let's do a little bit of a test recording. Make sure the microphone's working. This is a test recording. This is a test recording. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. We'll just increase the volume a bit and play. This is a test recording. This is a test recording. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Seems to work. That's good. So there we go. Another item fixed. It wasn't a complicated fix, so this will probably be more useful as a kind of teardown video rather than a fix video. And as there doesn't appear to be any teardowns of this particular model, maybe this will help someone in the future to fix their device. Of course, you can't know what you're going to come across before you open it. It could have been a lot more complicated, but unfortunately with it being that simple to fix, it kind of makes the video not that interesting. With that being said, if you've watched this far, thank you, because it does help the channel an awful lot. If you've enjoyed it, please give it the usual like and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.